India is looking to Israel military technology to strengthen its proposed multi-layered air defense shield, Sudarshan Chakra. Following Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to Israel, reports suggest a defense deal worth nearly $10 billion is under discussion. The deal may include the transfer of technologies from Israel's Iron Dome and Iron Beam air defense systems. Prime Minister Modi announced the AI-driven Sudarshan Chakra project on August 15, 2025. The shield is seen as vital to protect India's 15,106 km land border and 7,516 km coastline and to counter threats such as Pakistani drones and China's swarm drone strategy. Operational since 2011, Iron Dome is a mobile, all-weather system designed to intercept short-range rockets with a reported success rate of around 90%. Iron Beam is a 100 kilowatt high-energy laser weapon capable of neutralizing rockets, mortars, and drones at an estimated cost of about $2 per shot, making it the world's first operational laser air defense system. Iron Beam's production has been strongly backed by the United States, while Iron Dome was also heavily co-founded by Washington. This means any technology transfer to India could require complex approvals. Israel is also reportedly open to co-developing advanced systems with India, including anti-ballistic missiles defense, long-range missiles and drones. Talks are set to involve Arrow David Sling, SPICE 1000 kits, Rampage missiles, Icebreaker cruise missiles with a 300 km range and the Air Laura missiles with a 430 km range. India already operates S-400, Barak and indigenous Akash missile systems. Officials believe integrating Israel technology into Sudarshan Chakra will significantly boost India's air defense preparedness following Operation Sindoor.